live here at BBT3.
BBT Channel 3 News. Hi Nigel, you look a little different.
No, I think I look exactly the same.
Nigel.
The only thing that's different is his voice.
All right, guys, we're
Welcome back.
super excited today to be here with Brett Novak.
Nigel. My name's Nigel.
And
Aaron, you've missed a lot.
What? Was that an avocado?
It's my favorite thing in the whole world. Is this what you guys do here?
Yeah.
Nice. Skateboarding.
is that what they're doing these days? Yeah, sometimes. What I'm waiting for is there's this video online where they put Linx on one of those cups.
Oh,
Have you seen
I
that?
thought you were gonna go back to the egg.
Oh no.
To the what? The egg.
They put Linx on an egg and they drop it in it.
It's the same video. It's a red cup. And it
Every
says,
Linx video, they put Linx on an egg, and I want to do
I know,
a
I
watermelon.
keep asking you
Eggs are
to
the trendy
do
thing
that.
these days, so we're good.
Or a watermelon, or a red cup.
Why don't you do like a bunch of cakes?
So it was indestructible. It wouldn't crunch. But here we are putting it on a skateboard and we're breaking every one. Okay, so I don't know how this is gonna work.
Yeah.
Is that just gonna be like normal wheels?
No.
Why?
It's
I
gonna
think it's
be
gonna be definitely
Linx
slippery.
wheels.
We gotta do the
Slippery?
power slide
Yeah.
test, the blunt slide test.
And then we gotta
Slide
tow
test.
Carlos behind my car again. Linx is like truck bed lining.
I thought it was just a computer operating software situation.
Hammer!
We're also wearing the appropriate pants for Andy's birthday today.
You like that?
Yes.
Happy birthday, Andy. I worked.
It is Andy Chirac's birthday today.
I wore
No.
pants
Yeah.
for you.
Oh no, you guys did not.
We did.
We did.
Why? Whose idea was this?
All the good ideas are my ideas.
All the terrible ideas are your ideas.
I've had good ideas.
Yeah, look it. That's a good idea.
Thanos' ear.
If you guys want to know what happened to Fetty's ear.
You'll see very soon.
But can they primo slide or coconut wheelie? 'Cause I feel like it would like be easier because they're indestructible.
It doesn't roll straight.
A cocoa pie?
It's like this.
We're gonna learn a
Where's the
lot
last
today.
A really good idea.
Where's the last one at?
What is that?
3 block.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Why do you want a 3-block?
You guys, we're thinking of making a new Braille House skate park in 2019. If you want to see a 3-block instead of a 5-stair, leave a comment below.
See, if I say I want a
Our
3-block,
block's
it's just
better than
ironic.
If you want to kick out and you're in the middle of the stairs, it's harder to put your feet down without breaking your ankle. Like at least a 3-block, you know, you can look where you want to plant your foot.
Your ear is so gross.
Face, cute.
Thank you. Your beard is handsome.
No.
Can a beard be
We
handsome?
need to stop. We
Oh.
need to
No
stop.
more compliment wars? Okay. You're right.
So nice.
Oh,
Nigel.
wow.
You're such a nice guy.
You know what, Charlie? You have the most amazing pictures. How about that? Oh, yeah? How about that?
Well, you're taller than me, and I appreciate that.
With your blue suede shoes.
Hey, I did not Linx these myself. It was just my idea.
Did you Linx it
Through a
and
bunch of
then
tar, dude.
put the bearings in?
No.
They Linxed it with the bearings in.
So I don't think this is gonna roll or work at all.
Oh yes, it will.
I almost landed that.
You just gotta break them in. Oh, it sounds so weird.
It feels kind of like you're rolling on scorpions.
It kind of looks like that as well.
Yeah. Give it a wang dang.
Wang, dang. Oh my god, that is grippy.
Can you pop?
Yeah. Oh! That is hard. Dude, it's hard.
How to make your board look like a Walmart board the easiest way. Black wheels.
Reverse hacked. Make a good skateboard into a Walmart board.
Remember Lance's filmer board had black wheels?
Who's that?
Hi.
I probably should have mentioned the concerns they gave me. One is that they'd be slippery, but I don't think that's a problem right now. 2 is that it doesn't stick to plastic well, so it might just come off.
Well, if it comes off, we'll take it back and say we want more Linx.
Your skating sucks, but you look great. Now your skating is great and you look great.
Thank you.
They do truck bed liners. Skateboards have trucks. Why haven't we did bed lining our trucks? Truck bed lining on trucks.
Carlos, hard flip.
I suck at that trick, dude.
I'll do it the nollie pressure variety.
Get his back.
Oh.
Man, the wheel bite is unforgiving, huh?
Oh yeah.
How do you make it look like that?
They're kind of grippy.
Hey, it's just a ghetto bird.
A ghetto flato bird. Holy moly, that one was terrible. No, it's
No, it was
sticky. I
sticky.
hate it.
It was horrible.
Sticky? Why is he yelling at me?
I can't pivot. All right, uno más. Count it. Cleanest one I've ever done.
How does it roll? Some space rocks. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, you get impossible on it all right.
Wow.
That works. It's like doesn't affect the wheels at all. They feel great. The wheels feel great, yeah? What else should we try? Coconut wheelies? So like you'd be rolling on the wheels then, so that should be easier, right?
Absolutely.
You guys can make some guacamole out of these avocados.
I'm sure he has.
Yeah?
Well, you ran into a hole.
Oh, okay. Is that it? It looked fine too. Like it actually was on the wheels, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
So really what you could do is Linux just the side. That might be the future of skateboarding. We finally found it.
You got a little wheel bite on that one.
Ow!
Oh, that's fun. All right, well, let's try.
Acrobatic.
That was amazing. Let's mini ramp it. Where's everybody? Everybody's here physically, but you gotta be here in spirit.
Well, give us your update.
I think there's Linux in the bearings, but they hold up pretty well.
How are we gonna fling the wheels at the wall and see if they shatter? No, not the bungee. You want to? We're gonna put a hole in the ceiling again. Oh man, 100 mile
Wait,
per
what
hour
if we
Linux.
put them in a sock so it stays all together? We can take them all. Hey, you're good, man.
Thanks, man. The amount of pumping it takes to push those wheels through, it's like doing squats, bro.
Those are deadly, AK. Be careful with them. They tip hella easy.
Never back down from the mini ramp. Where is it? Oh.
Well, buddy, the mini ramp is right here.
First try! It felt like the Linux was gonna break through the mini ramp. Like it was the most strongest, like Thanos thing that is on the planet.
Wow.
He hasn't been here the last couple weeks, but he's been low-key working on his hill flips.
Yeah, watch this. You ready?
I think we should start destroying it now. You want to do the car test or like the flat spot test?
Go get your car. Rochambeau for who's gonna ride. Yes. Power slide off.
I didn't think it was gonna slide.
Oh.
That was like the weakest power slide ever. I was like, oh, it really did damage. And then it was just like picked up some dust. Nothing, literally nothing.
How much money if Carlos sticks and just goes flying?
I think this might actually make them stronger. Cleaning the soap off the ground, this is not good. Nothing.
Nothing.
I understand your theory on that. As soon as you start trying to like flat spot it, the Linux starts scraping off, I think it loses all structural integrity.
Or will the Linux not scrape off?
That's what we're here to test.
truly are indestructible.
All right.
Oh wait, said you can't even break things today.
It's a good day.
I think you should give it one more power slide.
One more power slide?
So no flat spots, huh?
Nothing. You can't even see where you slid.
I think we need to take it to the extreme.
Carlos, looks like you're up to bat.
We gotta start off slow, dude. Oh no. This is the third time I've been in this position. Oh, popping squats. Oh, I don't think this is gonna.
It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's indestructible. Oh no, he's dragging his
Oh, bam on my butt.
Okay, I was wrong. Straight to the wheel. Boom.
Oh, wow.
See that? Yada yung, yada yang.
R.I.P. my butt. Just like Lil Jon, get low.
What's going on there, Carlos?
I'm just having a hard time getting it. Like it grips good on the asphalt.
Yeah.
So getting it to slide is really hard.
So basically, this is the future of skateboard wheels.
Yeah. If you don't like power slides.
On asphalt.
Car.
Nothing to see here.
Game on. All right, go.
Yeah?
I can't get it to slide, dude.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Oh, the cracks. Oh, cracks. Ain't no thing. It's easy. Chicken wing. The world's most indestructible wheels. I think this is fully ruining my shoes as well. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's take it on the interstate. He's going really fast. Yep. Easy breezy, beautiful.
Oh, it's hot.
The sides still stayed on too. Like,
Oh no! I thought we were at the bearing, and I was right.
The flat
You got
spots of all
sparks going,
time.
dude.
Did I?
now let's see you skate
Yeah.
that board.
It's
Next
better for
challenge, you gotta
contest.
skate this thing. Yeah.
True story. Carlos was in a full-blown mariachi band. Yeah, played the trumpet.
Still do.
He still does. Actually, we should get you a trumpet.
I'll bring it here. Dude. I'll bring it. My dad just gave it back to me after like 15 years. I let him use it for his band, so he bought another one and gave it back to me when I went to Arizona.
It's actually awesome.
Play the national anthem because the Olympics are almost here.
This is like a new thing. Bearing bite. Bearing spot. What would you call that? Flat spot on the bearing, I reckon. Wow, look at this side. If it still kickflips, it's still skatable. That was straight up the hardest thing ever. Try it. All right, never mind.
I'm gonna lie, I started going kind of fast.
Yeah, I know. No kidding. I was only on the back going like this. What is he doing? But actually, I was like,
All I can
let's take
hear
it to the interstate.
were just your sounds going, he's going kind of fast!
Freestyle on it?
Oh yeah.
We don't really roll anyway, so it's perfect. Direction.
How he landed that, I have no idea.
Incredible.
Me neither. I blacked out. I don't know what happened.
Ceremonial.
I still want to put these through one major disaster test.
Like what? What's a major disaster test?
Like the bungee.
No, how? No, we just fixed the stairs.
And look, those are made with way thicker plywood.
I'm scared of the bungee.
Double wrap it around there and pull it all the way back to the wall and it was fine.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, let's do it then.
Yeah, it's up to you though.
What did I just miss?
Hey, Daniel, can you take this camera
That's
real quick?
incredible.
Not my first power slide off, I'll tell you that. A shoelace! This is why your ear is purple. Straight up. That's not even funny.
But that is 100% true.
You know the only time we do the bungee is when you're here, right?
No, clearly. That's a lie. I woke up this morning like, oh, bright day. I was so happy to see my friends. And then I get this text from Uzi. Hey. And I was like, what? Yes, you can work from home. We need more than this.
Put this right. Okay. Oh, we got 3 targets too. Look at that.
You're actually gonna use the shoelace. Yes, Daniel. I double wrapped the outer ones.
I'm not doing bungee at all.
What?
Ever since that accident, I'm kind of good.
You're helping me.
This is like, you know those medieval weapons where you would get those like cannonballs connected by chains and just like shoot it out and it would like...
I'm gonna start my phone on record and I'm gonna go into the office and...
Aaron, your phone's gonna die, bro.
No.
You sure?
No, I'm not sure. I think Daniel's gonna be right here and he'll protect it.
You ready, Daniel? This is as close as I'm getting.
It went so... It flat spotted the wheels!
Look at these!
Look
Indestructible!
at the trike is up there.
No, that's fine.
Carlos, write it down.
Oh, look at that wheel's all messed up.
Hold on. Sorry.
No.
You want me to let go?
No.
Ready?
No.
Come on, you gotta land it!
Well, that went just about as perfectly well as I ever could have imagined.
That's the first successful bungee we've ever gotten.
No, the tree was a perfect success.
Nothing broke.
If you want to line extra wheels, they're good. Give it a go.
Now, what do you think about the bungee?
I think that I'm really glad they didn't break the stairs. I went through a lot to get those stairs fixed. Now they're finally fixed, and they're like stronger than ever. And I don't want them to explode again.
Until it's a 3-block.
Check out all the other videos right there. You'll have an absolute blast. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video. And if you need anything skateboarding related, go to brailleskateboarding.com.